Hi everyone, my name is Richard. Today is the 18th of August 2024. I'll be going over my weekly review of the front testing of the S&P 500 predictions based on the option chain analysis. And this is for the prediction that I made 2 weeks ago. And I didn't make a video on it last week, so I'm going to make it right now. Now, this was for the week ended the 9th, and the prediction was on the 4th, where we predicted that the S&P 500 would go down. Definitely not the case, as it opened at 5,151.14, closed at 5,344.15, which was a 193.01 point drop, or a 3.75% loss for us, bringing our cumulative P&L down to 10.24%. SPX's weekly change was minus 0.04%, which bring its cumulative return to 10.32%, and our alpha went down to minus 0.08%. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you next time.